Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe XD online. Adobe XD offers a powerful way to design and prototype directly in your web browser, making collaboration seamless. You can easily access your cloud documents and share them with team members, no matter where they are. This platform allows for real-time review of designs, adding comments, and tracking changes, ensuring everyone stays on the same page throughout the design process. It's a fantastic tool for modern, distributed teams. To begin, simply log in to your Creative Cloud account through your web browser. Here, you will find all your Adobe XD Cloud documents readily available. It's a good practice to organize your projects into clearly labeled folders. This makes navigation much easier and keeps your workflow efficient. Any changes you make are automatically synced across all your devices, ensuring you always work with the most current version of your designs, saving you time and effort. One of the most powerful aspects of Adobe XD Online is its robust collaborative design features. You can easily generate shareable links to send to stakeholders for their review and valuable feedback. Multiple team members can even co-edit designs simultaneously directly within the browser, fostering true real-time teamwork. The integrated comment panel allows for precise feedback on specific artboards or individual design elements, streamlining communication and accelerating design iterations. Finally, when your design is ready, Adobe XD Online provides flexible options for sharing and exporting your work. You can generate distinct shareable links tailored for design review, developer handoff, or client presentations. Importantly, you maintain full control over access permissions for each link, ensuring your work remains secure. For development teams, you can easily export assets and entire artboards in several common formats, making the handoff process smooth and efficient.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.